Picture yourself in the 2024 Honda Civic. You look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control. It feels good to be in the sweet spot. The Honda Civic sedan will take you there. Take it out for a test drive today.